This here's a bearded garage special. We're going to be changing the oil on a John Deere Z525e, and it's actually going to be done by my son since this is his mower. Here we go.
This is my lawnmower. My father has a Ferris. I have a Z525e John Deere, and it's reached its service point, and I'm going to be doing the oil on it. And the oil it needs, and filter. You find it by looking that up, and it goes with this mower. So now you can see this yellow piece. This is how to check the oil line. So currently it's low. I don't know if you can see that, but it's low. Let's put that back in. It's kind of tricky to close. Now, without bringing this to a John Deere dealership and having them do it for probably a few $100s, you can actually do it on your own by taking, mine is off color, but this, you can pull this off, and this is where your oil will come out. But the only problem with that is down there, you cannot get it down and out to here, which is kind of a problem. So I guess I can get it down to there. But either way, I will be dripping some on the frame. So I guess that's the only problem. I have an oil pan and a bunch of paper towels because I can see myself making a mess. So I got my gloves, I got the oil pan, and now I will be draining the oil. So in order to take off this cap, this pipe, or whatever you want to call this piece, needs to be like this much longer. This is however long that is. It is actually a pain. You have to twist it counterclockwise, then you can pull it out. There we go. I'm dripping oil everywhere. Great. Alright, good. That's amazing. So now we wait for it to completely drain of oil. Another thing you can actually do is apparently open up the fuel check so that I can get air into the system better. It's slowed down to a dribble, so I think I'm just gonna cap it. Yeah, I am. Alright, let's get back up so I don't do anything. Swipe all this off. Let's like this. Right, let's see. So that took about 10 minutes. There's all the oil. And I could get it to drain like right here. And the oil came over to here, went back there. So the oil's finished draining, and I cleaned up everything that needed to be done over there. Now, when you do oil, a really good thing you should do is change the oil filter. But whoever designed this put it over the frame, so that's gonna be another mess. Let's do it. Alright, so let me take this oil pan, which already has water, it's oil, not water in it. Let's place it somewhere. Actually looks pretty good. And now, either it is finger tight, or I'm going to use this oil filter wrench. Let's try. This is fun. It's oily. I'm oily or something. Oh, gotta use this. There we go. It's loose, I think, right? There we go. Now it is loose. There we go. There's more oil coming out of the engine. Alright, so there's a big mess. That's good. Let's clean all this up, because it's probably good too. Looks like it's not dripping. Slide that onto there. Now, you put in the new filter. Here it is. And let's put, actually, I'm just dipping my finger in the old oil and spreading it around the gasket here to make a better seal. Looks good. Let's wipe off my fingers. Let's put this in. Alright, let's take this and put it back on so that then I can tighten it. Or I'll just be dum-dum. Alright. That has now been tightened on. So now, let's start putting the oil in. Alright, so now, I'm just going to take this Turf Guard SAE 10W30 engine oil, and I'm going to put it here. This is on. The oil filter's on, so it shouldn't have a place to leak out. That's what I'm hoping. There's the cap. Oh, I also have a funnel to make it hopefully a little less. That oil was dirty. There is one bottle. Let's put this oil in. I'm gonna let these drain for the time being. Alright, let's put caps back on. Let's grab the paper towel. Grab the funnel. And I'm going to clean up the funnel. That funnel looks nice and clean now. I'll just wipe up around it. I did set this down. Alright, now let's put this on. There we go. Alright, so we finished changing the oil, and now we will be checking the oil. It has run for 2-3 minutes now. Take this out and wipe it off. Let's see. All right.